Managing contacts is important for both personal and work use. Many OnePlus users want to export contacts to Excel for easier bulk editing and better organization. Here are 4 proven methods. Part 1. Export OnePlus contacts to Excel with MobiKin Assistant for Android. Easy. With MobiKin Assistant for Android, OnePlus contacts can be exported to Excel, CSV, or other formats with ease. Users can back up their entire contact list directly to a computer, avoiding any risk of data loss. How to use. Use a USB cable to link your OnePlus phone to your computer. Launch the software and enable USB debugging on your device so it can be recognized. Once detected, all file categories from your OnePlus will appear on the left panel. Navigate to Contacts, All Contacts to display your contact list. On the right, pick the contacts you want to back up, then click Export. Export to CSV to save them to your PC or Mac. You can also manage, edit, or delete OnePlus contacts directly within the software interface. Part 2. Export OnePlus phone contacts to Excel using Google Contacts. Open Contacts on your OnePlus phone, go to Settings or Manage Contacts, then export and save as a VecFF file. Transfer it to your computer. Sign into Google Contacts, import the VecFF file, select Contacts, and export as CSV. Download it to your computer. Open Excel, open the CSV file, and save it as ZLs if needed. Part 3. Export contacts from OnePlus to Excel via Export Contacts. Contact Mover. Install the app and grant contacts access. Select Export Contacts, choose Contacts, and pick CSV or Excel format. Save or share the file, then open it in Excel. Part 4. Export entire contact list from OnePlus to Excel via Export Contacts. Install the app and grant contacts access. Select the contacts to export, and choose Excel ZLs format. Save the file, then open it in Excel to view or edit.